Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on transformational leadership. Before we proceed any further, please do note that we publish 3 videos daily on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the definition of transformational leadership. In transformational leadership, leaders with the help of team members identify the needed change, generate a vision via inspiration to guide the change, and execute the change in unison with the team members. When employees are motivated to perform well by the leader's behavior, it is called transformational leadership. The attitude of the team members and the company as a whole is influenced positively. Transformational leaders are flexible to changes in various circumstances, share a combined awareness, are inspirational leaders to the team, and are able to self-regulate. As stated by Richard Branson, when people are placed in positions slightly above what they expect, they are apt to excel. Moving on to the origin of transformational leadership. James V. Downtown first introduced the idea of transformational leadership and came up with the term. This concept was later developed further by James McGregor Burns, a presidential biographer and a leadership specialist. Burns believed that transformational leadership was prominent where leaders and followers make each other advance to a higher level of morality and motivation. Murad M. Bass in 1985 elaborated Burns' ideas from 1978 to create the Bass transformational leadership theory. He explained the psychological process that forms the basis of transformational and transactional leadership. Bass introduced the term transformational in place of transforming. Moving on to the key components to transformational leadership. Let's start with the first. Idealized influence. The leader is admired for practicing what he or she preaches and serves as a perfect example to the followers. The qualities sought by a transformational leader in his followers are evident in the leader itself. A transformational leader is easily trusted and believed by his followers. Followers perceive the leader as someone they can imitate. Next, inspirational motivation. A vision is created and presented by transformational leaders which motivates and inspires followers. This, combined by the idealized influence, makes up the charisma of transformational leaders. Followers can easily be motivated by transformational leaders through their coherence. Along with their image, their uncomplicated and simplified words aid in convincing their followers. The third component is individualized consideration. Transformational leaders tend to be genuinely concerned about their followers' needs and emotions. They help the followers realize their full potential and thus self-actualize. The trust between the company members and the leader builds due to the personal attention given to each member. And finally, intellectual stimulation. The followers are provoked by the leaders to be innovative and imaginative. They are inspired to challenge the circumstances. Even though these leaders are commonly perceived to be soft, they continuously motivate their followers to perform by constantly challenging them. Next, characteristics of transformational leadership. The growth and development of followers are encouraged by leaders. Leaders in their companies epitomize moral guidelines. Others are motivated to do the same. Next, an ethical environment at workspaces with comprehensible values, principles, and priorities are promoted. Such a leader emphasizes the culture of working for common goals instead of an individual's personal goal within the company. He or she gives importance to teamwork, open communication, and originality. And finally, the leader trains and mentors employees, but also enables them to own up to tasks and take decisions by themselves. Now moving on to the advantages of transformational leadership. First, inspires change. Companies must be open to changes if they want to improve. Employees are motivated by transformational leaders in terms of accepting and executing new changes. Believing in the changes themselves helps them convince others better and in turn aids employees in reaching their maximum potential. Next, motivates learning. In addition to working towards a final aim, transformational leader also motivates employees to master new skills. This creates a flourishing culture that leads to quality work from employees and improves detail orientation. Next, turnover costs are lowered. Among various leadership types, this one has the maximum ability to retain employees and for the longest time. It can also retain customers due to the leader's appeal. Next, and finally, engages staff. It is important to keep your employees encouraged and involved to attain maximum productivity. Transformational leaders are capable of identifying their followers' needs. This helps them discover ways to motivate their followers to do their best. And next, let's look at transformational leadership disadvantages. The first one, disagreements make leader lose their power. The hold of a transformational leader is his biggest power. His hold over people reduces when his vision is not agreed upon, hence stripping him of his power. Next, employee burnout might occur. Being original and living up to the company's principles and culture are stressed a lot by transformational leaders. Employees may experience burnout by this continuous pressure to seek the company's vision and be proud of its accomplishments. Third, it has a very wide vision. Supporting a vision based on the bigger picture is very different from attaining it in real life with lucid operational strategies. Next, misconstructed perception. According to studies, sometimes managers may misconstrue their actions to be imparting transformational leadership when they are not in reality. According to workers, they were managed oppositely. They were being provided transactional focus, as in give or take. Next, doing things in unison. Continuous conflict and hesitation or unwillingness to participate might be seen when employees feel the need to make all decisions in unison. And finally, complexity and possibility of abuse. Various leadership theories together give rise to the complex idea of transformational leadership. Transformational leadership is a prominent personality trait. Hence, teaching or learning the idea becomes difficult. Since the leader's position in this leadership style is undisputed, the chances of the power being abused are high. And finally, examples of transformational leaders. First, Nelson Mandela. Second, Henry Ford in the automobile industry. Jeff Bezos, revolutionizing online retail. Steve Jobs from Apple. Reed Hastings, Netflix, changing the face of entertainment. Elon Musk, the powerful force behind electric vehicles and space colonization. Abraham Lincoln, British politician Margaret Thatcher. Professor Muhammad Yunus, who was a Bangladeshi social entrepreneur, banker, economist, and civil social leader who was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for founding the Grameen Bank and pioneering the concept of microcredit and microfinance. And finally, the famous Martin Luther King Jr. That's it, folks. This brings an end to the topic on transformational leadership. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel where you'll witness 3 new videos daily. Additionally, if you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.